do you got here? Oh boy. Pee-pee, huh?
Oh boy. Pee-pee.
All by yourself? So did you turn the light off too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh wait.
Gross pee-pee, huh? Good job though, buddy. Excellent. Dark. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dark.
You gonna go flush it? Go ahead, go flush. Let me clean this. Good job. Excellent. What do you want? Oh boy, waking up his brother. What are you doing over there? You're gonna fall. The daredevil, he likes jumping. You're gonna get hurt, buddy. Don't do that. See, you got your cars there. Oh boy. You're gonna get hurt, you leave your cars all over the place.
Whoa, bubble juice. Bubble juice.
Safe can't go to the park yet because we got his brother. His brother got dropped off to his pops at 6 a.m. or 6:30-ish because his mom could not sleep. So, now, sleeping. And we got the little guy sleeping. He had his milk, now he's sleeping. He's got enough room. He's got room to breathe. But the problem is Severin's around and he wakes his brother up. Yeah, so it's tough. I don't feel like moving the crib because I don't want to wake the big guy up. The little guy. Whatever. Nice out today. Problem. Letting mama sleep. I've been going for a little bit, but the problem. No, we don't need the light on. Leave it off. When you have this issue, it makes sense now, but when remote more, this becomes the norm. She doesn't really breastfeed no more. Just pumps and formula. So it's about 60-40 when I'm doing it, formula to breast milk. Fire truck, yeah. Where's your fire truck? No, we can't close it, buddy. Not today. Your brother's out here. Eat your cereal. Go ahead. You didn't eat it all. Go ahead. Eat your Cheerios. No, you gotta eat.
No, eat.
What are you doing?
Pigs.
Huh?
Pigs, huh? Daddy here.
Why am I going over here, buddy?
Yeah, Daddy here. Daddy here.
Mm-hmm.
Lucky, woo. Daddy here. Walk.
You want me to walk through here?
Daddy here. Walk.
Okay.
Wow.
Tight fit.
Made. Here. Walk here.
Your brother kicked that over there.
No.
He went poo-poo this morning. Alright, bud. All done.
No, I done. Pigs. I don't know. Pigs. Fire.
Fire, yeah.
Daddy. Huh? Yeah.
What?
Daddy. Fire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. Back here.
Spider.
No fire. Eat. Yeah.
What do you want back there? There's something back there you want? What are you looking for?
Bubble
I don't even know what bubble juice is, bud.
No bubble juice.
It's your new invention, bubble juice. Someone will steal your idea. You gotta mass market it and patent it.
Back here.
Get in there.
Back here. Back here. Back here.
Alright, come on, buddy.
My fire truck.
You know where it is. It's behind the car. I mean the door.
Woo!
Mom's gonna get mad. You got all these cars everywhere. Put some of your cars back, buddy. Because you're not playing. Here, put them away since you're playing with the truck. That way you don't walk on them. Then Mom don't get mad at you. Good job, buddy. Good job.
Buggy. 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 Buggy.
Here's a buggy, doom buggy.
Purple.
Purple car, yeah. What's that?
Mamu juice.
Monster truck?
Mamu juice.
Okay.
Mamu juice.
What are those?
Bubble juice.
Okay.
Bubble juice. Pickle juice. Here, Mia. No. Kivik. No.
What?
No, Kivik.
Okay. No, I'm not going in your room. You got too many. You got to put these away, bud. Put your cars away. You got too many toys out.
All right.
Yeah. There you go. Put these away too.
Wait, no.
No. Yeah, you can play with those over there.
Wait, no.
Okay, but you got to put them away. You got too many things out.
Here.
You want to play with them?
Yeah.
Okay. But the ones you're not going to put away, okay?
Back.
Yeah, good job. You need a toy chest, huh? For your car.